How to fix laptop speakers crackling sound in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you hear a crackling sound on your laptop? I'll show you how to fix it. Let's dive right in. First things first, go to your settings and then on the left hand side, go to Windows Update and make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version. Here you can see a restart is required. Then make sure that you restart it because sometimes these updates might also be causing the crackling sound on your laptop. Another option is to go to Device Manager and then here you'll need to search for the audio option. So go to the audio processing objects and then you'll find the speakers there. So Realtek is my speaker, so you can just right click on it and then update the driver, and then once you have updated it, I am pretty sure it'll start working. But if it still doesn't, then you can go to the speaker icon here in a taskbar, right click on it, go to sound settings, and then scroll down, go to more sound settings and go to speakers. So go to right click on it and go to properties and then go to advanced tab and then toggle off the enable audio enhancements and hit OK. So I hope one of these solutions will help you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.